And look at this, all this being sold for 20 Ghana cedis. Okay, so we didn't spend very long in Odomi. We decided to head back home, and that was back to Akpafu Todzi. So we do that via Mempasam, and we go through the mountain road that you can see here. Okay, so this is just an evening dusk flight, as I wanted to capture a few drone shots of Akpafu Todzi.
Tomorrow is Momo Day. Nobody should send me message. I don't want message. I want Momo. Momo message. That's what I want.
Yeah, he wasn't joking either. Okay, so one of the main reasons for coming back home to Akpafu Todzi was to really try and visit the schools and see if we could get involved in some charity work. The schools definitely need a lot of improvement in terms of the building, so I will have a separate video on that. And if you are interested in donating or helping to improve some of the building works and the school materials that the children need in order to be able to have a better education, then please feel free to click on the link. I'll have that in the description later.
Fresh like fruit juice, man no go vex, do me I do you. Why you want hits on L? Kwemo bulu. Chale if you come rap, I be too good, no be juju. Baba God we pull through. If you be on the beat, he dey move you. Tell the dog I say massa, excuse you. All the come on.
My baby, say what she me my de party me, metum tum wo ba imbo wo de abomi, me da wa se de, kanyamia yedo, make I see your handkerchief, na him more handkerchief. So I sit down in you handkerchief, I'm so grateful for your love, oh. Money they come make I see your handkerchief. So I sit down in you handkerchief, I need that feature. It's a seven, and then my baby say what she me my de party me. Metum tum wo ba imbo wo de abomi, me da wa se de, kanyamia yedo, kanyamia yedo.
So as you can see, the kids always fascinated by the drone experience. That is us here at Kaikato, otherwise known as Akpafu Todzi, the original and capital of all the Akpafu villages. That is us signing out. Looking forward to coming back here again soon.